Aloha mai kako. My name is Kai Phung. I'm a 7th and 8th grade social studies teacher at Highlands Intermediate in Pearl City. And what I love about teaching in Hawaii is we have one of the most beautiful and diverse student bodies in the world. I love being able to teach students from so many different cultures and backgrounds, and especially as I teach social studies, I'm learning about those different backgrounds through Hawaiian and Pacific Island history and helping them to gain an appreciation for that.
We were very proud to announce and to introduce Kai Phung and his beautiful family, and they are going to be driving around for the next year in this wonderful Volkswagen Tiguan. It's 2021.
This was probably one of the most unexpected calls we've ever gotten. It changes a lot for us. We only have one car right now, and it works. Like my wife and I were able to share a car and carpool and stuff, but having a second car definitely makes it so when my wife has errands to do and other things, then it's not an inconvenience, and so it's a huge blessing for us and our family. Teacher Appreciation Week, it's something that kind of caught me by surprise a little bit when I first became a teacher. Like I didn't realize that we had that week that was really so meaningful for us as teachers. A big mahalo to everybody that's been involved in this process. It's a huge blessing, and we're very grateful.